And remember, it's been a 70-year-long wait for the inauguration that finally happened of this project that was much awaited. Let me take you through the significance of why the Chenab Bridge is so important. And not only does it boost connectivity when it comes to the Kashmir Valley, but it also holds immense surveillance, security and strategic importance. That is the iconic picture of when Prime Minister Narendra Modi waved the Indian flag while he walked at the Chenab Bridge. And remember, it is a symbol of sovereignty in Kashmir, which comes as a big boost to the people of Kashmir, because not only is it a connectivity boost, but it has strategic mobility in times of conflict. So by and large, the bridge has been built in a way that when it comes to surveillance, intelligence, terror operations, it has the tenacity to withhold and to be able to take on any sort of emergency. Now, it also shows Kashmir's prosperity and development, because like I said, that it connects Kashmir Valley to the entire country, and that certainly comes in as a big boost to its people, because by and large it will also promote tourism despite the terror threats. So you see, in terms of its engineering marvel, it is not just the first in India, but also the first in the world in terms of its height, in terms of its arch. It is built in a high security sensitive zone of Riyasi. So you can imagine the kind of infra push that the people of Jammu and Kashmir see. Let me cut across to Mir Farid, who has been reporting live throughout that the entire country witnessed the inauguration of the Chenab Bridge. Mir, of course, it has been a long wait, 70 years, but it is finally a reality for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And like I said, it is not just a huge boost as far as connectivity is concerned, but holds extreme strategic and security significance. Take our viewers through those details.
Well, yes, absolutely. People here, the business community, locals, everyone is calling it a game changer, not without a reason. You have to understand the geographical location of Kashmir to see the importance or gauge the importance of this project. Kashmir is a valley and there are mountains on all sides. And while there is a surface link, the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, but we know it is an erratic connection where some rain and you'll see landslides coming down, road getting closed, and that really had an impact on the airfares, which skyrocketed. It was a loot in the name of airfares, and this obviously was beyond the reach of the common man. So everyone here was praying for this project to get completed, and as I said, why they're calling it as a game changer? One, because it will ensure an all-weather reliable travel link for the people. To add to that, it won't cost them a lot. They will reach their locations, destinations in time. But more than that, if we talk of the economic aspect, this will ensure that the horticulture sector, which is the real backbone of Kashmir's economy, it's a 10,000 crore business, and experts believe that with the train coming and with some other initiatives of the government, it can go. It has the potential of touching 40,000 crores. So imagine the kind of boost the train can bring in. And now the locals obviously are demanding that there should be a robust network of the railways. It should reach the nerve centers of business, horticulture, and there should be goods trains. And also importantly, this disconnect that we've seen where the people will have to get down in Katra and then board another train and go to Delhi. That's also something that, in fact, I raised with the MOS Railways, and he said that by December that will also not happen, and you will have a direct connect to Jammu and Delhi. So it is really something that was a dream for the people of Kashmir. And now the next project for the railways is to take this rail link to Ladakh, which is again going to be a very ambitious project. But now, since they have the confidence of completing the Kashmir rail project, they have the experience to go to Ladakh, and they're now confident that that also can be achieved. So now the next mission for the Modi government is Connect Ladakh, but huge day a special day for the people of Kashmir, for its industry, for the tourism, although it has been derailed by the Pahalgam attack. But once it starts to come back on track, railways will play a very critical role in bringing more and more tourists to the Kashmir Valley. Then the Amarnath Yatra, which is scheduled in July. Again, pilgrims, devotees will be benefited by the rail link. So you talk anything, it will ensure that everyone will talk about the railways, its importance and how critical it is for the Kashmir Valley. So it's a huge day, and fittingly the Prime Minister really also elaborating on why this is critical. Talking of the Kashmiri Seb, the apple industry which has suffered because of lack of proper link to the other parts of the country,
Right.
be it any other sector, everything has suffered from travel to business. So this is definitely a huge day for the
Yes.
Kashmir Valley. Back to you.
Indeed it is. I want to thank you for joining us on the broadcast.